How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today is going to be an update on the Cortina buddy build with Russell. And let's see, which I haven't really got a lot done on here, but before I get started, I want to thank all my subscribers, all my new subscribers, all my old subscribers. If you are not a subscriber and you're watching this, please become a subscriber. Hit like, share, subscribe, whatever you feel like doing. And if you don't like it, put a thumbs down. But without y'all, I wouldn't have a channel. And with that being said, and then too, at the back half of this video, you know, I haven't gotten very far. I've had a very, very busy week and weekend, so I haven't got a lot done. Russell's got a heck of a lot more done than I've gotten done, but there's really no time limit on this, so if he finishes. I'll get around to getting on this hopefully here in the next few days or something, but I have gotten a little bit more done since the last video. And then the back half of this video, this is Mother's Day here, so yesterday I put a brisket on the smoker, and I'll go pull it off here after a while. I might film that, show y'all a little bit of that at the end. And then too, James Morris, I'll show you what I've gotten done. I'm doing a little resin casting for him, so I'll show him what I've gotten done, and maybe a few little stash ads at the end of this, so stick around, guys. Alright, what I've gotten done so far, which ain't a lot, but I'm working with this back suspension here. Here it is. I've drilled holes. I've put some little tubing or rod, plastic tubing, you know, oh, what is that stuff called? The plastic that you get at Hobby Lobby and all the hobby shops. Let's see. Poly Evergreen, there it is. Okay, Evergreen. Man, my mine don't think no more. Here's my resin wheels. You can see they'll fit on there. Just like that. I got them to where they fit front or the back. Got them all to where they need to be. Alright, and then on the front, what I've done here is this whole assembly. If you can see that, I've made my own struts right here. I've taken a real spring. I've taken the here's the front hub right here that I've made for it. I've had to make this hub for it for my front wheels, and you can see right there they're gonna fit right. Get them to come out the back right here, right there. See that? Oh, sorry, I hit the camera. Oh, all right. See how they come out the back right there? All right. So, oh, where'd it go? That being said, I've taken a spring, and then I've taken some metal tubing right here, and I put in there, and just a piece of plastic at the top, just as a stop. And then this right here was the casted spring on here. Well, I just took my Dremel and I just ground that resin down. And anytime you're working with resin, please wear a mask. Be safe. And then that goes on there just like that. And you can see, which it moved, but it's actually not going to move on the car. But it will give me, like if I got to mount it up in there, it'll give me space to do that. And then as you can see right here, here's the part of the front suspension. And then it will go right here. I've been cutting it down, as you can see. I've been getting it all cut down. And it'll fit right in here. And then Of course, that will go in the hole and line up, and then, you know, of course, it'll go just like that. I don't know if I can get that to stay or not, but probably not. But that you kind of get an idea what's going on with it. There you go. But it's all customizing everything we do here. Anything with resin. The dashboard, I don't know if I've showed you that. I've filled in little putty holes. I still got this thing right here, which it should be good now. Then I'm gonna have to start the body work on it. I got the back bumper chromed, and I got the little step ups right here for the back bumper, because this car has, on the back here, it's gonna have 2 grab handles right here, and then I'll have the step ups to step up to right there, and that's what that's all about. Let's see, I'm dropping parts all over the floor. And then the front bumper, and those pieces will be painted black. And then the front bumper, I have the have it painted chrome, and I'm gonna have to go back over it again. But then I got these little brackets made right here, and that is for my spotlights, because on the front of the car, the spotlights will go here, and then there's going to be one that'll sit right there in the middle, which the bracket will have to come off the grill. And I don't know if y'all ever seen my grill. Did I show that last? There's my grill, chrome plated, got the wire mesh in it, and then that will go on the front of it there. I don't know if you can, well, it ain't all going to fit together till I get it fit together. So, but that being said, that's really all I've gotten done on this. There's really not a whole lot done on this. Like I said, go check Russell out. He's gotten way farther than I have. He's got his in paint, and it's really turning out good. He's building the Lotus Cortina, so go check him out. And this one here is going to be the rally car. Of course, I've showed y'all this is the car it's going to be right here. And this is what I was talking about right here as far as the grab handles. And it'll show them right here. That's what I'm custom making. And then here is the lights. And then here is your little step ups right here on that back bumper. And then 2 fuel caps are going to be located here, because this right here is where the fuel cap would have been, but the light is going here for the reverse light. That's where it's supposed to go. So I'm just getting everything made up for that. Let me turn this around and show you what I've gotten going on over here. All right, Ron, since you showed me your video going to Hobby Lobby, and they had the paints on sale, and I told you here a while back that my paints weren't on sale, but now they finally are. So I've grabbed, I don't know how many cans here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 cans of lacquer and enamel paints. And then the bottles, they're acrylic and enamel. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17 bottles there. Y'all need to go check those out. They're 99 cents and $1.57 for the cans. Okay, with that being said, James Morris had sent me an engine he wants me to resin cast, and that's for the this is the engine out of the Nova, out of the Trumpeter kit. And we both have bought the new what was that, 60 something Nova wagons we both had bought. And of course that's curbside, y'all know that. So so what we decided to do is, he sent me this because I built this kit before, but I've already built it, so therefore I cannot resin cast the engine. It's in the kit. So he had one unbuilt, and he sent this to me. So what I've done is I made a mold, and here's my mold for it, 2-piece mold. And then hopefully next week or the week after, when I get time, I'll pour us up some engines, and that way we'll have engines for our Novas. And then James, you also said you needed an engine for a slant nose Porsche. I'll just send you this kit, brother. I'm not going to build it, so I'll just send you the whole kit. And thanks for letting me resin cast these engines. And then with that being said, I was watching old Chris. He had just built this, and I seen how cool his turned out. So you know what? I decided to get me one. I didn't have that one, so I got it. And then my son was at an antique shop in Branson, or no, it might have been Springfield. I can't remember where he said. And he got me this. Paid $5 for it. It's not built. He got me this one. I think he had to pay $10 for it. And that's a Heller kit. It's 143 scale. Leland Princess kit. Very cool one. This one was a Heller too, I guess. Yeah, Heller. And this is a Leland Rover. And then he also got me this right here. I think he only paid $12.99, which I know this kit's been reissued. I have the reissues. I have like 3 or 4 reissues of this kit, but this one here is the original kit. This is not the reissue kit. This is the original. And it's been built on and everything. It's just it's a builder kit, but hey, for that price, anytime you can get an original kit, why not? It's worth it just for the box. That's the original box. I think it was from what, when did that come out? 68, somewhere around there, 67. I don't know. It come out right around in there. Y'all can tell me in the description below. But alright guys, this is what I got going on. It hadn't been a lot, but I figured I'd get y'all a video out. Like I said, it's been busy. It's been a hectic week, and so this is Mother's Day, and I don't have time. This has been Mother's Day weekend. I haven't had time to do anything. Like I said, I got a brisket smoking and everything. So, alright guys, please like, share, and subscribe. How's it going? Charlie Mac. This video, I'm smoking me a big old brisket. You can see right here. Slow and low. Got the temperature at 200 degrees. This is my smoker. Not a very big smoker. Got some cherry wood right there. Let y'all take a little peek of this. There she is. Let's give her a little spritz. I got my apple juice. I'll spray her down some apple juice. Keep her good and moist. I'm gonna let that smoke for about 12 to 14 hours. Out here and enjoying the day. Beautiful day outside. Beautiful, beautiful day. Forget about time to open this swimming pool up. It's getting warm enough now to, you can see I got all the leaves on there. Pool's green. Forgetting about time to open her up. Yeah. Got the lights up. Sitting back, smoking a big old brisket for Mother's Day dinner. Alright, let's check out this brisket. See how it's doing. Oh, it's coming along. It's coming along nice. Got some beans. Got my beans a smoking. Tasting good. Coming along. Alright then. That's going to be the Mother's Day. Take over my mother-in-law's. See y'all later. Bye.